Breaking science. Imagine freezing a single atom in midair using beams of light. Here's the unbelievable part. This is how quantum supercomputers are being built right now. Lasers aren't just flashy beams in movies. In cutting-edge labs, they act like invisible cages, holding atoms perfectly still. But that's not all. These trapped atoms become the foundation of tomorrow's most powerful computers. Think of it like catching fireflies. Normally, they dart around. Now imagine using light to hold each one in place without touching. That's exactly how scientists trap neutral atoms. Here's the amazing part. Companies like Quera, Google, and IBM are racing to arrange thousands of atoms into grids. Each atom becomes a qubit, the quantum version of a computer bit. The hidden secret is that neutral atoms don't push each other away, so they can be packed tightly for massive computing power. But wait, there's a warning. These systems are fragile. A tiny vibration or stray photon can cause shocking errors. Now imagine this. A quantum supercomputer solving climate models, inventing new medicines, or unlocking hidden patterns in finance. This could completely change the future of science and business. Next, lasers trapping atoms may lead to breakthroughs in chemistry, cybersecurity, and even space exploration. This revolution could reshape industries worldwide. Lasers trapping atoms aren't science fiction. They're the powerful hidden technology building tomorrow's quantum supercomputers. Do you think neutral atom quantum computers will become the ultimate design? Or will superconducting and photonic systems win the race? And why? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezzhub Tech for more future technology insights.